In this session, I'm going to talk to you about how to copy events. Copying events is a quick and easy way to create new event reservations from pre-existing events. And I'll go ahead and I'll show you an example right now. So from the main dashboard, I want to copy an event. So I will go to an event in which I'm listed as a scheduler to show you an example. So I will click here under your upcoming events for scheduler. And once this page loads, I can choose from any event I have here, but I'll go ahead and I will use this training example, this reservation I have right here. All right, so from this view in details, where I want to go if I want to copy an event is you see more actions here. All I need to do is click this down arrow here, and from the list, I will select copy event. Now, when this screen pops up, I'm going to select copy only this event. Now you can copy and relate events. There's another video on how to do that, and that will discuss relating events. But for my example, I'm just going to copy only this event. All right, so now what I want to do if I want to create a new reservation from an old one is just change the event name. I'll just call this hold operations because I don't know what the name of the event is at this time. I'll go ahead and I'll remove that, and I will change the event type to a conference. Now, what I also want to do is I want to change the date and time of my event, so I will just go ahead and select at random. I'll do November 21st, and I'll do date by date. So I'll keep the room the same. I'll keep 500 the same. One thing I will change though is the layout. So from here, I will just select open square. And as for my AV and facilities, as of right now, the only thing I know is that I will need my projector. So I'll type in projector, hit enter, and I'll select the buy 500 projector. Now, as far as I know, this is all I need for now. I can come back and update this prior to when the deadline is. So I'll just go to the last page and I will mark it as confirm and save. Now, this is how you copy and create a new reservation. Now, there is one other key item I want to go over before we close out this session. So one thing you want to avoid doing, and I'll use the same example, the training one. What you want to avoid doing is copying an event in Schedule tab. And I'll show you why. I do not recommend copying your event in the Schedule tab. The reason why is because doing so will not create a new reservation. All you will do is add another occurrence to the pre-existing reservation. And I'll show you what I mean now. So if I go to my event reservation here in green, and I right click, and I select occurrence copy, and I take my mouse and I click, and I drag it to a new time. So I'll go to November 1st again, and I'll do 6 o'clock, for example. So by doing this, I did not create a new reservation. All I did was copy a pre-existing one that I had. So you're not creating a new one, you're just adding on to the reservation you already have. So that rounds out how to copy an event.